Hai Eca. Hai Raisa. Raisa bawa mainan apa hari ini?
Super Wing.
Super Wing. Coba lihat dulu Super Wingnya.
Let's open it. I signed it. Wow. James. Ini namanya siapa? Namanya James. You call it? Dia namanya James.
Cheese.
Yeah, you call it? You heard it? You heard it? This is. It's James. Why? My son. Ya, terbalik. Sudah ini terbalik. Ya, terbalik. Cepat dilihat. It's my friend. Freja is my friend. Asik. Klik foto. Gak babai dulu ya. Bunda. Lama-lama. Hello, I Super Wing. Oh. Ow. I fly dulu. Di atas. Lihat di atas.
See you
Bentar dah.
next time.